Hello and welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. In the last video, we concluded our discussion on control flow statements and loop statements. But we still have one more important statement to learn, the special condition statement called match case. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and please subscribe and support me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned with my latest videos. Let's get started with today's agenda, match case. What is this match statement? If you haven't watched my previous video, I highly recommend you to watch it before you continue with this video. Match. So, what is the use of this match? The match case is basically like, instead of writing the many if-else conditions, and what you can do is, you can use a match statement. It's a single match case statement. This one acts like as a case statements in SQL. Similar to case, how those case statements are in SQL, you will have a case and when, then, right, and else, right? This is how basically in the SQL, right? The similar way here also, if you look at the syntax of this one also, like a case, match, expression, and case value 1, value 2, value 3, code blocks, that's all. So this is how basically, this is what the syntax here is, right? Here case, when, and then, and else, right? But the else block is a default block for all the times, right? For the any case statement in the SQL. The similar way here also you have case underscore is the default block for the this match condition. Okay, the match statements, the underscore is the default block. That's so. But how this is beneficial? How this is beneficial? As I said that, like it is like writing a multiple if-else statements. No matter how this one is beneficial, we'll try to explore these options here. Let's say I'm trying to find out which day it is, right? Match day. Okay, today is Monday or Tuesday or Thursday or Wednesday. Okay, next one more. The fifth one, Friday. And I don't want to figure it out this is Saturday or Sunday, just rather what I can say, case underscore, just I want to find out the weekdays. Okay, just I want to figure it out, the given number, it fall under the which week. That's what I want to figure it out. Print, I will say no match. Okay, let me execute this program. What happens here? See, here I have 4. Okay, here I have 4. First, what it does is, first it will assign this 4 value to here, and here I will get 4. Then it will try to find this. It will try to match the case statement here. Which one is 4? Here it's matched. So under this one, what is the block of this statements we have? Only print this, right? Thursday. The Thursday is the day is when you are entering 4 and in the week, and the Thursday is the day. That's what we are getting it. In case of if I try to print it 6, what happens? Just observe. The 6 is assigned to your condition here, and then there is no match with 6 here, right? The condition till 5 we have, the 6th one we don't have. Now no match is displayed here. That's how it is basically it works. You may ask me, like, as I said that it is kind of writing a multiple if-else statements, and the match can be can simplify our job, right? But so here in this case, if I write here, I can write one if statement. Here I can write another if-else statement. Here I can write another if-else statement. Then what's the difference here? How this program is like, how I can simplify and writing the program in the single statement or 2 statement, right? So we have a special operator call, the special operator call pipe. Then how we can use the pipe? You can use the pipe to simplify this program. How you can do that? Let me write it down. Match Okay, what I can do is here, rather I writing, just as I said, the special operator we have 5, and I will say weekday. Okay, if in case of 6, 7, I want to print weekend. If there is nothing is matched, that's all. Program is done. Very simple. See, this is going to check all these conditions, all 5 conditions in one line, and this will display the value. And if this is not matching here, it will jump on to the next case. It will going to check this one and sequentially, and then if this one also not satisfied, it will go to the jump onto the default case. Let me execute this weekday. Let's say if I give 7, what is happening? We can. Perfect, right? Okay, if I ask you to write in if condition, you have to write a multiple conditions, right? If else, or else, elif, and all the conditions you can write it down. But here, see, very simple, in the one line statement, and everything is fulfilled. All the conditions you can specify here, and if any one of the condition is met, this block of code going to be executed. Make sense? That's how it is. Okay, if you want to add more conditions here, if you want to add more condition to the match, how we can do that? Let's say I want to say, now we are finding we are trying to figure out like in which day it is. The given number it fall under the which day. Let's say if I want to figure out the which month along with this condition, and also I want to figure it out the which month. This category is for the days. Let's say for the month also you want to figure it out. How to write it down? Let me do one thing. Just copy this program and put it here. Just what is the feasibility which we have? You can add if condition also here. Okay, you need month here. The variable is required. Let's say 4, right? Okay, this is the condition I'm specifying here. Even in this case also, if here, what I can do here, I will say April. Here I can say May. Just simply, what I can do, we can keep it like this. We can put it like this. Okay, I will keep 6, 7 also. Okay, so now see this program. See, there is a feasibility, like the provision is there. You can easily use the if condition directly here. Okay, you can verify the given day and also the month. You can figure it out the month of this day. Let's say I'm specifying 4, enter here, April month. See, now if I specify like this, what happens? May. You understand? This is how you can play with the match case, right? The match case is like, see, you have different options here. Like, first you can write individual cases, and if you don't want to write like this, you can keep all the cases in one case statement. Then you can put the block of statements here, and then if you still want to add more condition to this case, and you can add if conditions followed by the case conditions. Then you can execute the block of statements. Okay, I hope you understand something from this video, today's video. If you like this video, please leave the thumb, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned with my latest videos. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.